How to show data uses on notification bar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In settings, click on Wi-Fi and network. After you're in Wi-Fi and network, in here you'll find SIM and network. Click on SIM and network. Then in here, scroll down and click on Data Saver. After you've clicked on Data Saver, to show data usage, you can simply click on Use Data Saver and simply click on it to turn it on. At the bottom, you can also turn on these apps to unrestricted data. After you're done, you're good to go. This is how to show data uses on notification bar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.